So hello guys, welcome to my channel. So I am start any questions related to binary tree. So I will traverse this tree, this whole tree, using post order traversal. Okay, post order traversal without using recursive. I use iterative approach to solve these questions and one stack method. Okay, there is a two type. There is a two method uh, to traverse post order. So first is a two stack method in which we use two stack, but there is another methods one there in which we use only one stack. So we will solve this question using one stack. Okay, so let's start this question. Let's start. What is post order traversal? So post order traversal simply said that post mean after. As I said that pre means first, first, pre means first, in means inner, center. Okay, and post mean after. So that root node comes last. Okay, so this is a root node 1. This left is a left of this root node 2, and the left of this root 4. So firstly, what is the output of this tree? Let's write first in general. So this is our root node, goes to left side, so first come always come to left element. Okay, 4 is come. After that go to right side, 5 is come. Okay, after that go to the root part. Okay, then 2 is come. This is the post order. Okay, left, right, root. In pre-order, root, left, right. In order, left, root, right. Okay, after that, after to complete this step, and this is the root node of this whole tree. So that's why go to right side of this tree, and this is the root. Again, this is root node of this child. So go to the left side, 6. After go to the right side, 7, and go to the root node, that is 3. After that go to the root node of this whole left or right subtree, so which is 1. So this is the output of we get after solving the post order. Okay, I hope you understand what is sequence of element we get in output. So this is called post order traversal. Okay, let me erase this. So let we will understand firstly approach what is the logic behind this post order traversal. Okay, we use only one stack. Okay, so we can also use using two stack. It is too easy, but the space complexity is double as this approach. We only use one stack, so space complexity have to maintain. Okay, this is our stack, this is our tree, this is step. So first step is said that create a node current name and store root. Okay, current store root, this root 1. Okay, and next one is check if current is not equal to null. If current is not null, so firstly we will push the data into the stack. So we will push until we get a null value. So we have to 1, so simply push 1. Okay, after that stack is not empty, so this condition we have to check, because if the stack is over empty, so what are the operation we have done is the thing. So that's why we have to check this condition also in AND operation. So this is also condition we have to check. So after that, if current is not null, so that I simply push into the stack, as I push into stack and go to the left side. So this line said that push into stack and go to the left side. So simply go to the left side of this root node. This is 2. So this is the if condition, this is the else condition. So if condition satisfies, then go after a while condition. So current is equal to not null, so that's condition also satisfies. So simply push into the, if current is not null, simply push into the, push the current is into a stack and go to left side. So push to, okay. After that, go to the left side. It goes to this, okay. And again current is not equal to null, so that's why it satisfies this condition, and it is also satisfied this condition, has the empty stack is not empty, so it always satisfies this condition. So after that if current is equal to not null, so as we see that current is equal to not null, so that's why simply push into the stack and go to left side, push for there, here, okay. Go to the left side, so this is go to left side, this is null, okay. This point to null now. So after that, putting AND operator, we use OR operator, so that's why we will satisfy this while condition, so that over null, over current point to null, so that's why this condition is not satisfied, but this stack is not empty, so this condition satisfies. So after that, we goes into a while loop, and this condition is not satisfied, so simply we go to the else case, okay. So listen guys, this else case is very tricky, so you have to focus on this else case. So first I remove this all stuff from the screen, okay. Then if over current point to null, so then simply we go to the right part. So we go to, then after iterating left part, so we have to go to right part of this, okay. As I said that first we go to left part, then I go to right part, then I go to root node, okay. So after iterating left part, then we go to the right part of this root node. So then I get the value from the stack means stack, what is the stack value of top element of stack 4. So and check for right is present, then check stack get value stack from get value stack 4, and check if there is a right element or not. We have to, how we check that, we simply use a temp variable, okay. Check and get from stack, get node from stack, and go to that right part which present in the stack. Listen guys, this is stack, this is the pop, this operation is pop, then stop, then go to that. It means first we check we get this element 4, after that we go to the right part of 4. So right part we store in node temp variable, so in temp point to null, which null, right side of null, okay. Then if temp point to null, so listen, if temp point to null, so simply pop, okay. If if temp point to null, simply pop element, okay. This 4 is pop, okay. So we have to, but now temp value is 4. So as I override value is temp is null, so that's why we have to change over temp value. So we pop this element and print, simply pop and print, okay. Then we have to also check if this with this element that I pop from the tree is left or right. We have to check, otherwise what is the, how I check, how I print first left, then right, then root node. If if this is 4, okay, so we have to check if this is present at left side or not. Okay, this is 4 now, this is 4, this is 4 element, so we have to check if this is left side or not. So simply this is the stack is empty or not. This we have to check this if we don't get any element from stack, so if there is no meaning to pop element, so that's why this condition. And this is very important conditions in this code. You have to think of, you have to remind, you have to think, you have to remember this condition. Okay, so what is set this condition? So guys, what is the temp value now? Temp value is 4 है ना. This is temp value that I pop from the stack. Temp value is 4 and temp is equal to stack. Stack, what is the value now? Stack, so after pop 4, okay, after pop 4, what is the value of stack dot peak dot write? 1 minute guys, I move 4 from the stack, and what is the value of stack dot peak dot write? Stack dot peak means 2, peak to write means 5, this 5. Okay, if temp means 4 is equal to 5. If this condition is satisfied, it means it belongs to right side. Okay, guys, it belongs to right side, but this condition is not satisfied, so that's why it does not go to this part. It does not pop this element, so we will not go to a while condition. So this is the if condition, so we are not going to else condition, so simply go to the upper while condition. So next, what is current point to? Current point to this null. Okay, this null. So after that we have to go to the else condition, null, and get stack to dot write. 2 dot write it means 5. So simple, temp point to 5. Okay, temp point to 5 in fourth step. After that, if temp is equal to null, so then after we have to check this condition, but it is not this the condition, so we go to the else part. So simply current is equal to temp, so current now is equal to temp point to 5. Okay, so after that go to the while conditions. It is not null, so this condition is satisfied. And if current is equal to not null, so this condition also satisfied, but we don't go to else condition. So this is the else condition. This is a big implementation. Main implementation is else condition, so we don't go to else condition. Has we get current null, simply push current and go to left side. So push current, so current is point to 5, so the 5, so point to null side. This is the point I point here. Okay, after that current point to null, so that's why we have to go as condition. So we get the value from the stack, which means 5, and write 5, and its right is null, so we go to the null. So we have our temp value is equal to null. Now we have our temp value is equal to null. So we go this step. If temp is equal to null, so simply pop and print. So simply I pop, and it is 4. First I print 4, and after that I print 5. Okay, let me erase this stuff. So we are now here. Okay, yeah, this is place. So our temp value now, our temp value is what is our temp value? Temp value is over null. Yeah, this is the null, this point to null. So if it is null, simply temp value change into the pop element. Okay, so what is the pop element? So pop element is pop element is 2. So temp point to no, oh sorry, because I have to pop this, so temp point to 5. Okay, this is we have to pop and pop from the stack, so that's why that we have to, our value is temp is equal to contain 5, so this contain 5. After that, check while condition. If this condition always has true, which is not empty, so after that, now have to focus this question, have to this question this in this condition. Okay, we have to focus because it is the main thing in this question. So temp means 5, temp point to 5, and is equal to stack means 2 dot peak, stack dot peak means 2, stack dot peak means 2, and it's right, 2's right is equal to 5. So temp is equal to also 5 and 2's right is equal to also 5, so it is satisfied. So it means it is a right element that we have do that we are pop now. So that's why we have to pop again from stack, because this is the root node in the stack present. So after printing left and right, then we got right, and after right we have to print root node. So that's why then we have to check, we have to change our temp value and pop from the stack. So our temp value is equal to 2. Okay guys, our value is equal to 2, and pop from stack and print, simply print. Okay guys, so after that these conditions again go to the stack in while condition, so it is not empty, so it is satisfied, and temp is 5, and stack dot peak means stack dot peak means 1 dot peak dot right 1 dot right 3 is 5 is equal to 3 not, so this condition is not satisfied. So after goes if after go to the this condition, so this go to the root. Okay, simply pop 2 and again after that go to the while condition. So it is current is not null, so go to the else conditions. So we have to get a right value of the stack, so temp store right value of the 1 is equal to 3, so temp value is equal to 3, so its value is 3. So simply, so it is not null, so we don't go to this if part, so simply go to the else part, and current is equal to temp, so current is equal to temp, so simply current have this satisfy this conditions and also satisfy this condition, and simply push and go to left side. Okay, push 3 and go to left side. It is not it is some element, so simply push. So in this way you have to think, you have to do some operations. This is the logic behind this question. So I think you better understand. If you're not able to understand this yet, you have to watch this video again. So this is a very tricky question. So but this line, I think only this line. You have to remember this line, and one more thing, you how we are change over temp. Here we are temp change from stack and right side. Here also we change over temp. Okay, if we got our temp is equal to null, so if we got temp is equal to null, so we change over temp. If we got current is equal to null, so that's why we have to change over temp. So this is little thing we have to think. So let's go to the VS Code, so and do some code. Okay, post order. Void post order iterative node root is equal to if root is equal to null. This condition is a special case if we don't have any value, so simply return. So we don't need to any print anything. So after that, what is mean? We have to take a stack data structure. Okay guys, and we have to data type is node. So stack is equal to create a stack. Okay, after that take it node current is equal to root. Okay, go to the file conditions, match over step that I write in the notepad. So according to this I write code. If it is not null, and one or condition, or condition, stack dot is empty. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, one of this condition is satisfied, then go to the while loop. Okay, after that, so check this condition, current is equal to null, so, and we have to push into the stack until our current is equal to null. So this is black code, this for this condition equal to null. So simply stack dot push current. Okay, and current point to left side. Yeah, this is the if conditions. If current is equal to null, so else. Okay, so if current is equal to null, as I said that if we don't have any value, so simply we have to change over temp value from the stack. Okay, so node temp is equal to stack dot peak. Okay, this gives us top element of the stack. After that goes to right part. We have to towards the all element of the left part. So this is the for left part, and simply push. After that we go to the right part. If it is present, then simply the temp value is not null. So and simply push into the stack. Okay, if temp is equal to null, okay, then we have to perform some operation else what I have to do. So what we have to run. So current is equal to temp. Simple. Let me explain this else condition. So this is the temp value. As I write the code, this code will go to the left part and push into the stack. Okay, this is good. After that, if it goes to left and it point to left and it point to null, so it means we have to traverse the whole left part, so we have to go to right side. So this temp query store the value of the stack.peak. Stack.peak means first element, top element of the stack, and the is right element. If it's not there is not any right element, so simply temp store null value, otherwise temp store that element. And if temp store that element, then this condition is not satisfied, then it goes to else part and currents again some value. So after that it store in the stack. So this is the condition. If so, this condition is the whole logic behind post tree. So it contains this if condition. So if it is null, so as I said that temp is equal to null, so simply have to change the value of the temp. So temp is equal to stack dot pop. Okay, stack dot pop, and simply print temp dot data. Yeah, simply print if the right part of the element is null. Okay, so it means the upper that is upper part of the stack is left part. Yeah, but if it is not left, so we have to check if it's left part or right. So while we have to check when compulsory condition, so if stack is not is empty, so it is a very obvious condition. So after that temp is equal to stack dot peak. Okay, peak dot right, RIGST. Yeah, if this condition is satisfied, so simply change temp stack dot pop and print. So it will be out temp dot data. So this is the main logic. I think you have to understand. Other code is very simple. So if it is null, so simple print the left part. So this is the left part in first case when I iterate. So after that, if it is not null, so we don't have to go. So but if it is we have that element we have popped from the tree. So if it is right part, so simply go to the its next element. So its next is root element, so we have to pop this element. This, so it is very obvious, as I mentioned in our as I told you few minutes ago. So this is the, I think, so we have to run this code. We also check what is the tree we have. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So as I said that, but in this case, so there is no element in there, it is not present. Okay, so 4, 5, 2, 6, 3, 1. Yeah, this is the output. So if our code is correct, so this will be output we have. So let's go to the main part. This is the main part. Simply call that element, that function. So what is the name of this function? Post order, sorry. Iterative, yeah, root node. Simply read that code. This code, yeah, this is 54542 1 minute. Uh, this is the condition, so we have to accordingly format. So now I have to print 4 4 5 4 5 2 2 6 6 3 3 1 1. So this is the output I have now. I get, so this is the post order of this tree, this tree, this tree. I hope you understand this question. So please subscribe my channel and like. Okay guys, thanks.